When someone stops respecting you, they won't tell you. They'll just treat you differently. It starts with a late reply to your text, a cold look, a feeling that they just don't care if you're around. You can feel that everything has changed, but you have no idea what you did wrong. And the reason is almost never what you think. It has nothing to do with your looks, and it's not about your money or status. It's all because of your own behavior. Honestly, some of our small daily habits secretly tell others that we don't believe in ourselves. And the most dangerous part? These habits feel completely normal to us. The first habit, over-explaining yourself. Someone asks you a simple question, and suddenly you start speaking 3 whole sentences. To justify your decision, even though that decision was your right, you aren't giving information here. You are asking them for permission, and people sense that immediately. People who have confidence say their piece just once, completely clear, then they go silent. That silence after speaking isn't awkward. It's your power. It's practice speaking less. When you use fewer words, your voice carries more weight. The second habit, seeking constant approval from others. You post something and refresh the page. You tell a joke and scan the room. You change your opinion the moment someone pushes back, not because they made a good point, but because the tension of disagreement felt unbearable. Here's the psychology. The more desperately you want someone's validation, the less they want to give it to you. Respect doesn't follow need, it follows security. Start making decisions based on your own judgment, and let other people's reactions be their business, not yours. Apologizing too much. You apologize for asking a question, for needing something, for simply taking up space in a conversation. What feels like politeness is actually self-erasure, and the people around you start to unconsciously treat you like someone who doesn't matter. Replace reflex apologies with neutral language. Instead of sorry to bother you, just ask. The discomfort you feel at first is simply your old pattern losing its grip. That discomfort means it's working. An ability to say no. Every time you say yes, when everything inside you means no, you're not being kind. You're teaching people exactly how to treat you. You're handing them a permission slip for unlimited access to your time and energy, then quietly resenting them for using it. No is a complete sentence. Doesn't need a story attached to it. Use it. Mean it. Watch how fast your self-respect begins to return. Here is the moment I need you to actually hear this. Most people never realize they are slowly training the people around them to disrespect them. Not in one big moment, in 1,000 small ones. A yes that should have been a no. An apology that should have been silence. Explanation that should have never left your mouth. You taught them how to see you, which means you can teach them something different. Emotional reactions to everything.